Hello guys, this is my laptop and as you can see the screen is broken. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So first I just ordered the LCD from Amazon. You can order what what type of laptop you got and what brand and also what's the model, and you're gonna type it in and just and you're gonna find it in Amazon. But not everything is available, so I'm just lucky I get this HP one, then I got it. So now I'm gonna show you how to do this. So let's start. So as you can see, my screen is totally broken and damaged. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix it, one step by step. So first you're gonna take this, there's like just be careful guys. Oh, see? And then you take this out. Then that's how it looks like right now. That's what my screen look like. So I'm gonna turn it off for a while. Then now I'm gonna take the screen off the LCD. Just do it carefully. Oops, excuse me. I just done eating. I think I need a small screwdriver. Hopefully this will work. So you just unscrew it. Wait a minute. It's like I need a smaller screwdriver. A very thin one. I might find. So just wait. Okay guys, now you need to unscrew the screw in your laptop. Oh my god. Just be careful because it's really a very small screw. Oh my god, the screw is very tiny. Holy cow, it's very tiny screw guys. So you be careful to unscrew it. I got it. So now you just need to flip it up. Oops, there you go. And then there's like a just need to wait, I just need to get this out. So there it is. Check out the old CD now. You need to be careful when we put our new one. Let's say, please remove the screen film before you install the bezel. Start. Now you need to remove this. Film screen. Oh, you don't really need to do that. Like,
How I can fix this? How I can get the paper, the paint off?
hey, you can't later, okay?
Okay.
Then now you just need to slowly put it in properly. So let's see. Oh, there you go. So now we need to screw it back. Carefully, careful. So need to screw it carefully. Wait, guys. Oh my goodness, this is so very tiny. It's really hard to put this little tiny screw together. Just be careful.
Mama.
Putting the screw in.
Mama. Mama.
Shh.
Why?
Okay.
Why is it? Why am I quiet when I'm doing the bell?
Quiet, because I'm trying to explain it. They need to put the screw back. This is really, really so tiny. I can even barely hold it.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. This is not easy. Oh Lord, don't bend that. Careful, careful. There you go. Ouch! This fell. It's kind of hard because I got a kind of a long nails. Okay. Okay. Then let me try to put it.
I can get away, damn it.
Okay, there you go. Okay, where's my? There you go, guys. I got it. Next. Oh, I see some blushing. So, with the other one.
Until we drown.
Carefully put the screw back to your laptop. Here too. Okay. This is such a very oh. See, my screen is flashing. I don't know. I'm not sure why it's splashing like that. Maybe I need to put it more. Let's check first if it's... Wait a minute. Okay guys, now it's work. I just put the new LCD that I bought. So now I'm gonna put the screw back. Carefully. Good thing I think about it, because I call and asked how much it cost me to change the screen, my broken screen laptop, and they charged me like $150 to $200. I'm like, oh my god, it's way too much. It's like more, it seems like I'm just gonna buy a new one. But I decided to look in Amazon if they have a replacement for a screen of my laptop, and luckily they do, and I found this, and charan, now it's work. Now I got a laptop again. Now just need to carefully put the screw back, because the screw is very tiny. Oh my god, now it's like you cannot barely hold it. Oh my goodness, now it went inside my laptop. Oh Lord, now where is it? Now it went down.
Okay, cool. It says,
Got it. So if I didn't think about it, this laptop would be, let me put something here so that in case the screw will pull down, it won't go down to inside the laptop. So just carefully put the screw, just carefully put the screw back, which is very tricky. okay, okay. There
Why
you
you keep putting it anywhere? What else? What else?
go. There you go.
I kissed the baby.
Guess what? It's wet. So now I need to put the other screw in.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
And I feel for.
Okay guys, here he is. It's working now. And I just put the cover back. Just squeeze a little bit. And careful.
Be careful.
Squeeze. Be careful. There you go. And so far, it's good. So you don't need to spend $100 or more just to replace the broken screen of your laptop. Just go to Amazon and go find look for the what kind of laptop you got, then type in the name of your laptop and LCD, and you got it. If you can find it, you're lucky, like what I did. Now my laptop is fixed. Thank you so much for watching. That was really easy to do it. I mean, it's easy to fix it, but it's make you longer to fix because the screw is a little bit tiny. It's very tiny, and you can't really hold it. But so far so good. Now my laptop is look like new again. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See, I'll try to. Now it's really worked. Thank you.